This is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you the ColorEYES beading needles from the Beadsmith. Now these are actually a really neat little thing, and I'm so excited that these exist and that they have been brought to us. So one of the great things about these ColorEYES beading needles is not only the fact that we have a multi-pack, but the fact that you can buy each one, and then as you use them, if you should put a needle down or if it goes into a case, you'll always know which size you're pulling out to use for your project, which is just a really genius thing. So I'm actually going to kind of open up this one here. Now this is the one that has 2 of each, so we're going to get size 10, 11, and 12, so we're going to get 2 of each in here. And just so when you open this up, you see that those 12s are going to be the 2 on the ends, those are the red, and then the 11s are going to have that little blue-green, and the 10s are going to be black. Now, as you know, the bigger the number, the size, the smaller the needle. So if you're kind of looking to test out something, or if you're not sure what's going to work for your project, I would definitely recommend getting the multi-pack. If you know that you always use size 12 for your projects, go ahead and get those too. This is the most common size that we use here at Beadaholique, but for the most part, you know, if you're going to be using smaller beads, let's say 10-0, a 15-0, you can go for a 10 or a 12, or I'm sorry, an 11 or a 12. If you're going to be working with slightly larger ones, you can go for the 10. So it's just a really great little thing, but these are standard size beading needles, but all they do is have that nice colored tip. So again, if you kind of put them in a little canister like many people have, or if they're just on your table, you know exactly the one that you're picking up. So this is a great little product. So these are the ColorEYES beading needles from the Beadsmith. So be sure to pick up a multi-pack and then pick up your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out all of these and even more by heading over to Beadaholique.com.